What's up, guys? Today I'm going to put you through a 15-minute core workout. It's going to be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. If you can't go the whole 45 seconds, just go as long as you can. Let's get started. So the first exercise is going to be crunches. Ready? And go. Just go as long as you can, making sure that you're picking the torso up off the ground, going back down. If you need to, you can hold the head. Just support your head. Don't pull on your neck. And perfect. The next exercise is going to be glute bridges. Scoot down. Alright. And go ahead, lifting the hips up, going back down just like this, squeezing in the glutes. Go nice and easy. It's a great day for a core workout. So 15 seconds left. All right. Next exercise is going to be Russian twists. I'm going to turn this way so I can see this camera. And go. Back and forth just like this. If you want to make it harder, you can lift your feet up like this. There's no need to if you don't need, if you can. All right, next exercise is going to be a plank. You can either go elbows or extended arm plank. I'll go extended arm plank. Make sure you're keeping that core engaged. Hips low. All right, bring it down. Next exercise is going to be flutter kicks. You can put your hands underneath your hips to support your back if you want to. And let's go. And again, if you have to take breaks at all, that's perfectly fine. Just go as long as you can. And good. All right. The next exercise is going to be knee up crunches. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second. All right. Knees up just like this. Going up and back down.
Girl, where did you come from? Never seen a girl move quite like you. Girl, where are you going?
And remember, just support the head. Don't pull on the neck.
Speak so softly. I need your body on top of me. Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything you need, baby. Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. The next one's going to be penguins. So you're basically going to be laying on your back with your torso off the ground, and you're going to be touching the heels back and forth. So just like this.
I'll show you the whole world. Live this life on earth together. Sun or rain, don't matter the weather. No matter the weather. I want you forever. Oh yeah. Whoa, I'll put in the effort. We'll be together. Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say.
All right, and the last one's going to be steam engines, but you're going to stand up for this one. It's slightly cardio based, so if you can't do it, just march in place. You're going to have your hands up like this, and just alternate back and forth just like this.
Different. You got me feeling on your body while you're cooking in the kitchen. I'll fill that cup up, got pina coladas on deck. Your lips are as sweet as the sweetest can get. Girl, I'm a little bit obsessed. Girl, come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything you need.
And perfect. So that's the first round. We're going to go back to the crunches in about 10 seconds. We only got one more round of this, guys. All right. 3. All right. Remember, just support the head. Don't pull on your neck. And the longer you pause at the top, the more it's going to engage your core. Perfect. Next exercise, glute bridges. About 5 seconds. And go. Perfect. Next one is Russian twist. You guys are doing great. And go.
Yeah, my girl from Argentina, I knew right when I seen her. I love this girl forever, I knew right then that I needed her. Antonella, I must be her Messi. Bombilla, I must be her Mate.
Keep it up, guys. Again, if you have to take a break, go ahead. Oh, perfect. All right, the next one's a plank. You can go straight arm or on your elbows. And go. All right, bring it down. Next up, we got the flutter kick. 3 seconds. There you can support your hips. And go.
Ooh, baby, stacking money, make a fortune. Damn, baby, hey, you drop dead gorgeous. Table started, no noche. You hottie, that body, I want you on top of me. You got me, I want you to know that I need you forever. Girl, I never wanna let you go.
About 10 seconds left, guys. Perfect. Next exercise is the knee up crunches. About 5 seconds. And let's go. Keep it moving, guys. Doing great. Perfect. All right. Next is the penguin. All right. Tapping those heels back and forth. Waddling like a penguin.
Take me to a better place. Baby, we can run away if you wanted to. I could tuck you in so softly. Run and tell your friends wedding bells are ringing. I'm on my knee, got my baby smiling. Baby got the fashion, she don't need no stylist. Baby get the walk and the talk all dialed. I think the ring finger on your left hand is a diamond. I see the diamond
Perfect. All right, last exercise, guys, the steam engine. We're almost done. 3 seconds, 2, let's go. And guys, you can do this 2 or 3 times a week. This whole workout will be great for you. Give a day in between just to rest up your core, but you can do this workout quite often. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I bet your core's on fire. I know mine is. So you can do this 2 or 3 times a week, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe.